Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, welcome back to the next lecture of English language. Let's see what you are going to learn in today's lecture. Say, children, we have already completed chapters and poems. Okay, and few grammar topics also. Today I am going to begin with writing skills. Okay, as you all know, writing skill is a very important question. Okay, and there are many things which comes in the writing skill. Come on, recall: report writing, essay writing, letter writing, story writing. All such things comes in the writing skill, and each writing skill carries 5 marks. So today we are going to study report writing. See, children, you have already done in 9th standard, है ना? We have done already in 9th standard. So this will be revision for you. Just recall all your memories. Okay, just polish it. See, report should be written in past form. What are the steps which should be followed? Okay, what is the format that I am going to show you in this lecture? Okay, first of all, what is report writing? A report is the description of an event or a situation meant for a particular person or a group of person. See, children, there are many things which happens around us. If yes or no, yes. You may have seen newspapers at home, है ना? रोज हमारे घर न्यूज़पेपर आता है. Maybe your father is the newspaper reader, or your mother, or even you. Fine. So what that newspaper contains, children? That newspaper contains reports. Yes, report of what? Whatever happened in the previous day in the city, all such things are published in the newspaper. क्या क्या रहता है उसमें? If any accident happened in the city, then there is a report regarding accident. If any robbery, you know, related to any robbery, or if any celebrity arrived in the city, so the report regarding that particular program comes in the newspaper, है ना? And if matches are going on, then they publish the report about matches also. IPL is there, okay, World Cup is there, or hockey matches are there, football are there. So all such thing also comes as a report in the newspaper. Apart from newspaper, there are other things also where news get published. What are those ways? न्यूज़पेपर्स हो गया. अब उसके अलावा और न्यूज़ कहाँ कहाँ आती है? देर आर पर्टिकुलर मैगजीन्स ऑल्सो एंड जर्नल्स ऑल्सो विच कंटेन्स न्यूज़. Okay, newspaper is not so long that we can put many रिपोर्ट्स इनटू इट. अब सिटी में तो बहुत सारा कुछ होता है, लेकिन उतना सब कुछ न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश करना इजी नहीं है, बिकॉज न्यूज़पेपर इज ऑफ हार्डली 5 to 6 पेपर्स. ओके, दैट्स वाई सच न्यूज़ गेट पब्लिश इनटू द magazines. Magazines are quite thick. Okay, there are weekly magazines, there are monthly magazines are also there, जो कभी मंथ में एक बार पब्लिश होती है, कोई वीक में एक बार पब्लिश होती है, and they have their different sections. Okay, business magazines are also there, so they write all the business news, business reports into it. Okay, suppose a sports magazine is there, so all such things goes in that particular magazine in the form of report. Acha, why do we all write report, children? Report is a summary of the incident which took place in the past. ठीक है, जो भी हुआ है उसको हम क्या करते हैं? समराइज करते हैं प्रॉपर वे में. क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, है ना? All such things. See, nowadays it's very common to understand because you may have seen news channels also. Yes or no? How they report? First they show the headline, then they give us the dateline, and then they tell us everything whatever happened. See, report writing, what? Format and examples. What is a report? Clear and concise document. एकदम क्लियरली सब कुछ बता देते क्या होता है. रिपोर्ट्स आर रिटन फॉर, देखो रिपोर्ट्स किस किस कहाँ कहाँ लिखी जाती है? दैट इज न्यूज़पेपर, स्कूल न्यूज़, जर्नल एंड न्यूज़पेपर. जर्नल में है, स्कूल न्यूज़. सी, देर आर मेनी स्कूल्स विच कंटेन देयर पर्सनल न्यूज़पेपर्स ऑल्सो विच गेट पब्लिश्ड एवरी वीक और एवरी मंथ. स्कूल्स के अपने खुद के न्यूज़पेपर्स भी होते हैं जिसमें उनके स्कूल की न्यूज़ आती है. ओके, तो देर आर even see, children, there are newspapers which is only for the students. You may have heard about Sakal, Young Buzz newspapers. Young Buzz newspapers published by Sakard, which contains all student activities into it. Okay? ये एक ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर है हमारे पुणे का जिसमें सारे स्कूल्स के जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है उस सकाल न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश होती है, ऑल रिलेटेड टू दी स्कूल्स. फाइन. So that is also a particular newspaper. You can remember this. You can give the example of this if in case any question comes to you. Then event and incident. अच्छा, रिपोर्ट कहाँ किस चीज़ों की लिखी जाती है? इवेंट. इफ़ एनीथिंग हैपन दैट इज़ एक्सीडेंट, और कुछ हुआ है या तो फिर कोई इवेंट रखा गया है. सपोज देयर वॉज अ वेडिंग ऑफ a very big celebrity or very big cricketer, so that will also come as a report कि कितने लोग थे, कहाँ हुआ था, what kind of a event it was, how many people were invited. So this is one of the event which will come. Okay, then another, there is a inauguration of such a big shopping mall, so that also comes as a report next day. Or incident, if anything happened, suppose there is a plane crash. Now recently we have seen there is a plane crash in Kerala. That plane was coming from Dubai, and while landing it was, there was a problem in the landing and everything got destroyed over there. So you can write a report about that also. Fine children, I hope you all have understood what should come in the report writing. Fine. It should be written in the newspaper, journal and news magazines. See, this is the format of writing news report. First of all, you should write headline on the top. Heading is given? No, that is not heading, that is the headline. See children, whenever you are writing a report, make sure that your headline should be attractive. It should be very interesting. Then only people, they read the complete article. Even, in the newspaper also, what do? We first go through the headlines. If we find headlines are, interesting, then only we read the complete article. Usually people does this. 50% people does this. I can say this. So your headline should be very attractive and important. Okay. Headline on the top in the center. At the left hand side, place and date. Okay. See, this is the different format. First you have to write place. Suppose place is Pune. Date 12 August. Okay. This comes. Then after that, body. Body of the, what body carries? Introduction, main content and conclusion. बॉडी यहाँ से लिखना शुरू कर दो आपके. ये हेडलाइन हो गई आपकी, डेट लाइन हो गई. एंड एट द राइट हैंड साइड, रिपोर्टेड बाय, नेम ऑफ द रिपोर्टर. यू कैन राइट XYZ और बाय द स्टाफ रिपोर्टर, हेड रिपोर्टर, जो भी है आपको लिखना है. सो देयर यू कैन राइट. See, first step, headline in the center, left hand side, place and date, right hand side, reported by XYZ. This much you understood children? See, all these things carries marks. 1 mark, 2 mark. Okay. After that, body introduction. First of all, you have to show them what happened exactly. क्या हुआ क्या था. And then you have to start writing. First line, what, क्या हुआ. Who, किसके साथ हुआ. When, where. You should answer all these questions in the beginning. Okay. And then why. Fine. Third line, volunteers participation. Okay. Then what the volunteers have done for them. Then main content, how the event started and what were the highlights of the events. If you are writing about the events, then you have to discuss the highlights. Then at the end, conclusion, summarize the end of the event with a positive role. Understood? Here you have to summarize whatever happened. This should be the summary of that entire report. Okay, I'll show you one examples for better understanding. See, these are the points which should be remembered while writing. What are those points? Written in past tense. See, as I told you in the beginning, report should be written on the next day of the incident. That's why it should be written in the past tense. Report हमको किस tense में लिखनी है? Past tense में लिखनी है. Okay? Don't use first person. Obviously, we are not the first person. It's already happened and we are writing the report. So, please avoid writing me. Okay? It should be as a third person you should speak. Then, use indirect speech. Use passive voice. Okay, so these are the 4 steps which should be followed while writing the report. Understood? Example, अभी मैं आपको एक example दे रही हूँ. This is the question and you have to make a report. Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the events as a reporter of Times of India. See, you have to assume yourself as a reporter of Times of India. So here, report by, वहाँ पर आएगा reporter of Times of India. To whom you have to write? What you have to write? Red Cross Society organize a blood donation camp. देखो blood donation camp हुआ है and next day you are making a report that how many people had come. Okay, and what happened in exactly how the event went, that you have to write in the report. So let's see how to write. See children, first of all, headline. What is the headline? Blood donation camp at TCS. Okay, this is your headline. Then deadline, I told you the name of the place and date should be written, that is Gandhinagar, 14th March 2020. So okay, reported by XYZ reporter, or if you want you can write the name of the reporter, no problem. You can write even your name also in the paper, no problem with that. And then the report started. देखो, a blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 10th March 2020 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at TCS Gandhinagar. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employee. It was very well planned camp and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारा आया ना how, what and when. Next, why. A team of the 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. The first person to donate the blood was head of HR department. After that, refreshment was provided before and after the donation of blood to each donor. Okay, after they donated their blood, after that they got refreshments. Okay, obviously after giving the blood the people feel quite low, or the people feel quite tired. A certificate of appreciation, donation card and a tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude. Okay, this is one of the way of thanking them. Such a noble cause it was. As the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers as a total of 257 units of blood was collected. See, such a big achievement. So many people came forward and donated the blood. The team of doctors appreciated at those participated in the camp and making it a huge success. Understood children? See, in the beginning, headline, dateline, reported by, all this proper format, and in 3 paras the report is written. Remember children, you also should write the report in the 3 paras and it should be written in the past tense. Understood till here? Summary, what we have learned in this report writing. report क्यों लिखते हैं हम लोग? If anything happened, है ना, event or any incident, for that we write a report. Okay, where the reports get published? Newspaper, magazines and journals. Even few schools have their own newspapers where they publish only their school activities. Children, we are in Ketek school and there is one of the very famous newspaper of Kondwa in which the news of our school also get published. If you remember, I know the name but I want answer from you all. So please be ready with your answer. Tell me which newspaper it is which contains the news from our school also. Okay, कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर है कोंडवा का जिसमें हमारे स्कूल की भी न्यूज़ आती है? Okay, fine. So next time please learn this, so next time we can publish our news also in that particular paper. Okay, so this is the question for you. You should collect the newspaper and give me the answer. I hope you all have understood what exactly the report writing means, whatever we have learned. Okay, so I'll sending notes. Please note down these notes in the grammar notebook. that is grammar and writing skill notebook which you have made, and write it nicely. I'll send you more examples, so note down all those in the new notebook. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask me, children. Here we finish with this topic, that is report writing. Tomorrow in the lecture we will move towards new writing skill. Till then, take care of yourself, complete your work on time, and be ready for the unit tests which are going to come very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Bye.